Okay, so apparently an AI camera caught me blinking before I even blinked. Yes, it predicted my blink before my eyelids even applied for gravity, and that's when I realized I might already be the side character of my own life. So with that, hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So let's just continue with our story. Now, like, here I am thinking I'm the main hero or I'm the main character, and meanwhile some AI cameras is out to there doing Sherlock Holmes plus Doctor Strange plus Google Maps all at the same time. And today we are, guys, diving into a world where AI cameras don't just see faster, they think, predict, and sometimes roast humans for being slow. Yeah, they actually analyze posture, detect emotions, track patterns, and if you sneeze out of frame, they'll file an instant report before you can even bless me. Like, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to AI Camera Beat Humans. So, this is not a sci-fi movie, or this is not a lab experiment. This is real life, guys. My life, your life. And today I'm letting you, or I'm telling you a story where the hero is not a man, not a woman, and not a superhero, not even a gadget. It's an AI analytics camera. So it doesn't sleep, so it doesn't blink, it doesn't need coffee, mood swings, favorite employee, or no bad Mondays. It just works perfectly every single time. Yes. And trust me, by the end of the video, you will ask yourself, are humans still the main characters, or are we just background artists with free Wi-Fi?
Huh?
So buckle up, guys, because for the next 3 hours, I am talking, or I'm taking you through the funniest, most suspenseful, most unexpectedly emotional tech story you would ever heard, I guess. And yes, everything you are about to hear is kinda true. So let's begin. A world where humans believe they were efficient. Guys, before I met the AI analytics camera, I lived in a world full of confidence, dangerous confidence. Humans, including me, walked around thinking we were fast, accurate, observant, basically the Avengers of real life. We believed we noticed everything, we never miss details, we make logical decisions, we multitask like gods. No, we don't, I know that. But you know how human things, they are fast. Someone dropped a pen and suddenly we act like we are the Flash going after it. But the truth is, guys, by the time we even noticed the pen falling, an AI camera has already detected the movement, analyzed the object, predicted the landing locations, calculated the velocity, checked for safety hazards, and assigned blame. All before the pen even hits the floor. Meanwhile, a human is still like, wait, something fell, I guess. Like we usually do.
A few moments later.
So, we like to say, I remember everything. Meanwhile, we walk into a room and forgot why we are entered or why we are here. And AI cameras on the other side, they remember each and every single thing, even things you didn't want, remembered. Like the time you tripped on flat ground or waved back at someone who wasn't waving at you, or attempted to look productively or by clicking your mouse aggressively. Yeah, humans do that, and like we do that. So now, on the other hand, AI cameras would be like detected decrease in dignity by 47%. And before the AI cameras, companies relied on humans for safety monitoring, visitor tracking, compliance checking, productivity observations, incident detection. Let me tell you guys, humans get bored, tired, hungry, distracted, and most of all, Mondays. But AI cameras, they are none of these things. Human can take breaks. AI cameras are the break. So this is the turning point of the story, I guess. So one day during a regular site visit, I noticed the security team staring at the monitor like they were watching a cricket match final with super over. They are excited. The excitement, fear, confusion, hope, and suspense. So naturally, I assumed someone bought samosas, but no, they were all staring at one screen with an AI analytics camera feed, and that's when the story really begins. Now, it was like I remember this moment with painful clarity. Painful because this AI camera ruined 27 years of someone's self esteem in 5 seconds. Yes, I walked into the control room, usually thinking, yes, another day of telling humans what to do and technology how to behave. Universe heard that and said, "Bet." I know. There it was, mounted on the wall, sleek, shiny, emotionless, like a sci fi villain that takes no holidays. The AI analytic cameras. Now, you know how in movies the hero enter with epic music. Here it felt like the camera got the music. Like it was introduced as the celebrity guest of the show. I looked at it and it looked at me. Actually, I blinked. Then it looked at me, but it it look it its look wasn't normal. It was the kind of look that says, I know what you did yesterday and also 3 days ago. And also when you said you were working but you were watching memes. Yeah, that kind of look. So I decided to test it, like in a casual way. You know, just to show dominance, I moved my hand. The AI instantly tracked it. I stepped back. It zoomed in automatically. I raised my eyebrows. It did a threat level assessment. Was like, meanwhile, a security operator, I remember, whispered, "Man, please don't change it." And I didn't even respond because the camera already detected my sarcasm. Now, it's a real turning point. I was standing near the work zone area with a toolbox on the edge of the platform, looked like suspicious, like it was planning a journey to the floor. But before I could even open my mouth to say, "Hey, looks risky," the AI camera actually triggered. It was like, potential fall of hazard detected, probability of incident is 94%, recommended action is move the toolbox, human. And I swear, it said all that in under 0.07 second, I guess. Yeah. And me was like, I took 0.7 second to just to understand what fell hazard means. Just to process everything. And the AI predicted the fall before anyone even noticed the toolbox exist. And as far as I remember, the staff rushed. They fixed it. No incident happened. Everyone looked impressed. And I, well, just say my self confidence dropped harder than the toolbox would have. I stood there, standing at the feet. This camera didn't just detect a danger, it anticipated it, prevented it, very accurately. And in that moment, I realized this wasn't a gadget. This wasn't a CCTV, or this wasn't just a camera. This was a guardian, a predictor, an analyst, a silent superhero kind of thing that never sleeps, never blinks, or and never get tired. So it was the kind of tech that saves time, money, and people and reputation. My own ego included. Yeah, and right there, I remember I whispered, "Okay, respect." The AI didn't respond, but I swear I felt it judged me softer after that. Yeah. So, all right, then after, listen, I have been embarrassed before, I know. But normal humans moment, I guess, like tripping over my own foot or opening a door while someone is pulling it or waving back at someone who was actually waving at the person behind me. But this AI camera humbled me in a way I still felt in my soul. It was a normal work day, nothing special. I was doing what every professional does, walking confidently, noting like I understood everything, pretended my inbox wasn't on fire, acting like I had everything under control. Then came the incident. I walked into the monitoring area to observe the workflow. That code for I wanted to see if the camera still respects me. I didn't. But yeah, so there was a chair slightly out of place, barely noticeable, just 1 inch awkward, like me in every social situation. Yeah, I didn't even see it. I was walking, talking, gesturing with confidence, and then the AI camera triggered an alert. What was that? Yeah. Obstruction detected. Risk of collision is 92%. And I laugh literally that, oh, come on, AI, it's just a chair. Who wouldn't even? I walked straight into it with full speed, front impact, zero mercy, and the security team turned. The AI camera zoomed in as if I was capturing a historic event. I swear that thing zoomed like it wanted to submit my clip to Americans' funniest home videos. But the operation played back the footage, not once, not twice, but 3 times. Slow motion zoom, frame by frame analysis, and every time I hit the chair, the camera's analytics put impact medium, awareness low, object stationary, or fault is human, honestly. So yeah, the fault even part broke me emotionally. Yeah. So later that day, the same day, the camera redeemed itself. A worker was about to enter restricted zone with a welding torch. Before anyone could react, the AI camera triggered. What did triggered? I think it was unauthorized entry with flame hazards. Yeah, it was that. Now, the team prevented a massive incident, or we can say it was not an incident, it was an accident, yeah, within seconds because of the camera. And that, when it hit me, that this thing might roast me, might expose my clumsiness, and might destroy my self-image. But it's also the reason someone didn't get hurt that day. And that's when the story changed. That's when my perspective changed from annoyance to respect, from respect to admiration, from admiration to realizing that this AI camera wasn't smarter than me to show off, it was smarter to protect us. So with that, guys, I want you to hang on to this because the rest of the story I am going to continue in the second part, which is coming super soon. So till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share who really want to listen this and watch it. So bye bye, guys. I'll meet you guys in the next video.